Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off live captions on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings window. So just scroll up on your home screen and then select settings. And then you want to go down and select sound and vibration. Scroll down again until you get to live caption and select it. And then if you want to enable live caption, go ahead and toggle this to the on position. So live caption detects speech on your device and automatically generates captions. When speech is captioned, this feature uses additional battery. All audio and captions are processed locally and never leave the device. Select got it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.